So how do you turn on the front camera light on the iPhone? And let's explain that. And if it's your first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss videos and explanations like this one. So you can always just go to the front facing camera, right? And when you swipe up from like this portion next to the shutter button, you're gonna get to this page where you have more controls over your photos. And you want to enable the flash, right? So it's called flash. It's not through the LED flash on the back. That's when you're using the rear facing camera. But for the front facing selfie camera, the flash works by lighting up the whole screen. So it gets the job done. It works in low environment, so that's cool, but that's how it works, and that's how you need to have it set up. Keep in mind that you have three options for it. It's not just turn on or off, because in between it, there is also the automatic option, which is indicated by the little A icon. And the automatic just kind of decides if you need it or not, which might be useful, but if you want to ensure that it 100% goes off every time, make sure it's turned on and then not set to just automatic. So that's how you're going to do this. Of course, it's all using the built-in camera on an iPhone. So if you need more, you can explore some third-party camera solutions as well. But I believe that this one just gets the job done. So let me know what you think. Stay tuned by subscribing, hit the thumbs up if it worked for you. And I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.